aircraft turnaround is the process of, or time needed for loading, unloading, and servicing an aircraft before it is ready to fly again, which may usually ranges from about half an hour to an hour, depending on the size of the aircrafts and the airlines. During turnaround, several actions are done simultaneously, including chocking of the aircraft, passenger boarding and deboarding, cabin cleaning and catering, aircraft refueling and inspection, and other activities as required. Once the aircraft arrives at the gates, ground staff will wait for the engine to shut down, to chock the aircraft and connect external power to power the aircraft. Most activities are done simultaneously during turnaround to speed up the process, like passenger and baggage deboarding, catering, refueling the aircraft, cleaning of the cabin, lavatory and water services, aircraft inspection and maintenance, and so on. Airlines uses various strategies to reduce the turnaround time and to get the aircraft ready to fly again. Sometimes, the activities may not happen as planned and it can delay the flight. The synchronization of ramp activities provides smoothness in operations and leads other tasks in the chain to be performed without any defect. Once the turnaround is completed, the aircraft will be ready for pushback and fly again to its next destination.